Ugh, another day, another 500 pounds. And there's always going to be another driveway to clean, another competitive quote to beat. Who knew cleaning concrete could be so exciting? I mean, really, what could be more thrilling than blasting water at Jurassic dirt? It's not like we're saving lives or anything, is it? Nah. Oh, but don't worry. We're so passionate about our family-run business and everything pressure washing that we live for the thrill of the spray, the feeling of power in our hands as we blast away years of grime. It's truly a life-changing, soul-fulfilling experience. It's basically a free mud bath. Free, I know. Hashtag never happens. So if you're tired of your driveway looking like a neglected stepchild hanging around outside the children's home I grew up in, give us a call. We'll come over and absolutely ruin your day with our high-powered water sorcery, our professional and respectful mannerisms, not forgetting our brutal honesty about how much better your life actually is compared to the Jones. Because nothing says clean like a company that clearly doesn't want to be there in the first place. And that's why we make these videos, simply to waste our own time.
Let's do this.
Yeah, I know it's impressive. We've seen it 1,000 times. But for you, it's a revelation. For us, it's just Tuesday. We're so good at this, we could probably pressure wash a cat and make it look like royalty. It's a tough life, I know. But hey, at least it's interesting work. Watching paint dry would be more exciting than this, right? I mean, it's not like we're chasing trains or anything. We're just, transforming driveways. So next time your driveway's looking a bit meh, give us a call. We'll work our magic and make it the envy of the neighborhood, or at least the envy of your neighbors' driveways. So let's see this get clean then, the most exciting bit, right? Come on then, come and get your groove on. Right, so you seen the before, you seen the after, and you seen us do the dirty work. Now, if you want to see the real magic, you gotta come to one of our live events. That's where the real fun begins. We'll be there, live and in person, blasting away dirt and grime like it's nobody's business. And let me tell you, a clean driveway ain't just about looks. It's about value. It's about curb appeal. It's about feeling proud of your property. It's about saying, yeah, this is my patch, and I ain't afraid to show it off. But remember, a clean driveway ain't a one-time gig. It's a lifestyle. You gotta keep it shiny, keep it fresh, or it'll start to look a bit dodgy. So keep those hoses running, and don't let your driveway get too much cheek. All right, that's all, folks. See you around, and always remember to keep it clean. See you around.